Which Mazda actually costs the least to own? Most people think it's the Mazda 3. Smallest car, best fuel economy, cheapest to buy. Makes sense, right? Wrong. I spent the last 3 months analyzing every single Mazda model currently on sale. Purchase price, fuel costs, insurance, maintenance, depreciation, repairs, everything. And the results shocked me. The cheapest Mazda to own isn't what you think. And the most expensive? That one really surprised me. Some models that seem like bargains up front end up costing you thousands more over 5 years of ownership, while others that look expensive initially actually save you money in the long run. Today, I'm revealing the complete rankings of every Mazda model by true cost of ownership, not just the sticker price, not just fuel economy, the real total cost of owning each model for 5 years and 75,000 miles. I'm breaking down purchase price, financing, fuel, insurance, maintenance, repairs, and depreciation for every single model. And I'm going to show you which Mazda gives you the absolute best value for your money. The results are going to change how you think about buying your next Mazda. Let's get into it. How I calculated true cost of ownership. Before we dive into the rankings, let me explain my methodology. I calculated the total cost of owning each Mazda model for 5 years and 75,000 miles. Here's what I included. Purchase price. MSRP for a base or mid-level trim, minus average negotiated discount. Financing costs. Assuming a typical loan with 10% down, 6.5% APR over 60 months. Fuel costs. Based on 15,000 miles per year and current average gas prices of $3.50 per gallon. Insurance. Average annual premium based on national data for a 35-year-old driver with good credit. Maintenance. Scheduled maintenance following Mazda's recommended intervals. Oil changes, tire rotations, brake pads, fluids, etc. Repairs. Estimated repair costs based on typical issues for each model, using data from repair shops and owner forums. Depreciation. 5-year depreciation based on current resale values and projected future values. I then added all of these together to get the true total cost of ownership over 5 years. The results were shocking. Some cheap cars ended up being very expensive to own, and some expensive cars were actually bargains. Let's start with the rankings, from most expensive to least expensive. Number 10, most expensive, 2024 Mazda CX-90 PHEV. Total 5-year cost, $68,420. This one surprised me. The CX-90 plug-in hybrid is Mazda's flagship SUV. It's big, luxurious, and packed with technology. But it's also the most expensive Mazda to own over 5 years. Here's the breakdown. Purchase price, $56,000 after typical discount. Financing cost, $9,200. Fuel cost, $7,800, even with plug-in hybrid efficiency. Insurance, $8,400, $1,680 per year. Maintenance, $4,200. Repairs, $2,100. Depreciation, minus $19,280. You lose this much in value. Why it's so expensive? The CX-90P HEV has the highest purchase price of any Mazda. Insurance is expensive because it's a new high-value vehicle with expensive parts. Maintenance costs are higher than other models because of the complex plug-in hybrid system, and depreciation is brutal. Luxury 3-row SUVs lose value fast. Who should buy it? If you need 3 rows, want luxury, and don't care about cost, it's still a great SUV. Just know what you're getting into financially. Number 9, 2024 Mazda CX-90. Total 5-year cost, $64,180. The non-plug-in CX-90 is slightly cheaper to own, but still very expensive. Purchase price, $52,000. Financing cost, $8,500. Fuel cost, $9,600. Worse fuel economy than the PHEV. Insurance, $7,800. Maintenance, $3,900. Repairs, $1,900. Depreciation, minus $19,520. Why it's expensive? Still a high purchase price. Worse fuel economy than the PHEV, 20 miles per gallon combined, means you're spending more at the pump. Three-row SUVs depreciate fast. Who should buy it? If you need 3 rows and want a non-hybrid, this is your only Mazda option. Just be prepared for the costs. Number 8. 2024 Mazda CX-70. Total 5-year cost, $57,340. The CX-70 is basically a 2-row CX-90, slightly cheaper but still expensive. Purchase price, $45,000. Financing cost, $7,400. Fuel cost, $9,200. Insurance, $7,200. Maintenance, $3,600. Repairs, $1,800. Depreciation, minus $16,860. Why it's expensive? High purchase price for a 2-row SUV. Fuel economy is just okay, 22 miles per gallon combined. Depreciation on new Mazda models is uncertain, but likely steep. Who should buy it? If you want CX-90 luxury without the 3rd row, this works, but you're still paying a premium. Before we continue, if you want the complete guide to Mazda ownership costs, maintenance schedules, and how to make any Mazda last 500,000 miles, I've put together a free blueprint. Click the link in the description to download your 500,000 mile car maintenance blueprint right now. It covers the real cost of ownership and how to minimize them. Alright, let's keep going. Number 7. 2024 Mazda CX-5 Turbo. Total 5-year cost, $48,920. The CX-5 Turbo is a fun, sporty SUV, but the turbocharged engine and premium positioning make it expensive. Purchase price, $38,000. Financing cost, $6,200. Fuel cost, $8,400. Turbos drink more gas. Insurance, $6,600. Maintenance, $3,400. Repairs, $1,700. Depreciation, minus $15,380. Why it costs more? The turbo engine requires premium fuel, adding about $1,200 to your fuel costs over 5 years. Insurance is higher because it's a performance variant. Turbocharged engines have slightly higher maintenance costs. Who should buy it? If you want CX-5 practicality with more power and don't mind the extra cost, go for it. Just know you're paying a premium for that turbo. If you're enjoying this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. This helps me bring you more honest car advice for my Mazda guys. Number 6. 2024 Mazda CX-50. Total 5-year cost, $46,280. The CX-50 is Mazda's rugged outdoorsy SUV, slightly cheaper than the CX-5 Turbo, but still not a bargain. Purchase price, $35,500. Financing cost, $5,800. Fuel cost, $8,100. Insurance, $6,400. Maintenance, $3,300. Repairs, $1,600. Depreciation, minus $14,420. Why it's mid-tier? The CX-50 is priced competitively but not cheap. Fuel economy, 25 miles per gallon combined, is decent but not great. It's a newer model, so depreciation is still uncertain. Who should buy it? If you want a rugged SUV with good ground clearance and off-road capability, the CX-50 is solid. It's not the cheapest, but it's reasonable. Number 5. 2024 Mazda CX-5 Non-Turbo. Total 5-year cost, $44,620. Now we're getting into the sweet spot. The base CX-5 is where value really starts. Purchase price, $32,000. Financing cost, $5,200. Fuel cost, $7,500. Insurance, $6,000. Maintenance, $3,200. Repairs, $1,500. Depreciation, minus $10,780. Why it's a good value? The CX-5 holds its value better than almost any Mazda. Depreciation is relatively low. Fuel economy, 27 miles per gallon combined, is respectable for a compact SUV. Maintenance and repair costs are low because the 2.5-liter naturally aspirated engine is bulletproof. Who should buy it? If you need an SUV and want the best balance of cost and practicality, the base CX-5 is hard to beat. It's been around since 2017 in this generation, so reliability is proven. Number 4. 2024 Mazda 3 Hatchback. Total 5-year cost, $41,840. The Mazda 3 Hatchback is stylish, fun to drive, and surprisingly affordable to own. Purchase price, $28,500. Financing cost, $4,700. Fuel cost, $6,900. Insurance, $5,400. Maintenance, $2,900. Repairs, $1,300. Depreciation, minus $7,840. Why it's a great value. Lower purchase price than SUVs. Excellent fuel economy, 30 miles per gallon combined. Insurance is cheaper because it's a compact car. Depreciation is reasonable. Mazda 3s hold value decently. Who should buy it? If you don't need an SUV and want something fun to drive with low running costs, the Mazda 3 Hatchback is fantastic. It's practical, stylish, and affordable. Number 3. 2024 Mazda 3 Sedan. Total 5-year cost, $40,180. The Mazda 3 Sedan edges out the hatchback by about $1,660 over 5 years. Purchase price, $27,000. Financing cost, $4,400. Fuel cost, $6,800. Insurance, $5,200. Maintenance, $2,900. Repairs, $1,300. Depreciation, minus $7,420. Why it's cheaper than the hatchback? Lower purchase price, about $1,500 less. Slightly better fuel economy, 31 miles per gallon combined versus 30. Lower insurance because sedans are statistically less risky than hatchbacks. Who should buy it? If you prefer sedans and want the absolute lowest cost Mazda 3, this is it. You give up some cargo versatility, but you save money. Number 2. 2024 Mazda CX-30. Total 5-year cost, $39,620. Here's where it gets interesting. The CX-30 is an SUV, but it's cheaper to own than both Mazda 3 models. How? Purchase price, $27,500. Financing cost, $4,500. Fuel cost, $7,200. Insurance, $5,600. Maintenance, $2,800. Repairs, $1,200. Depreciation, minus $8,820. Why it's such a great value? The CX-30 is priced very competitively, almost the same as the Mazda 3 sedan. Fuel economy, 28 miles per gallon combined, is excellent for a compact SUV. Maintenance costs are low because it uses the same reliable 2.5-liter engine as other Mazdas. Depreciation is low because compact SUVs are in high demand. Insurance is reasonable despite being an SUV. Who should buy it? If you want SUV practicality without paying SUV prices, the CX-30 is the absolute sweet spot. It's my top recommendation for most buyers. Number 1. Cheapest. 2024 MX-5 Miata. Total 5-year cost, $37,960. And the winner, the cheapest Mazda to own over 5 years, is the MX-5 Miata. Yes, really. Purchase price, $28,000. Financing cost, $4,600. Fuel cost, $6,200. Excellent fuel economy. Insurance, $4,800. Surprisingly low for a sports car. Maintenance, $2,500. Repairs, $900. Depreciation, minus $9,140. Why it's the cheapest? The Miata has incredible fuel economy for a sports car, 30+ miles per gallon combined. Insurance is lower than you'd expect because Miatas are driven by responsible enthusiasts, not reckless teenagers. Maintenance is cheap because it's a simple, lightweight car with a naturally aspirated engine. Repairs are minimal. Miatas are bulletproof reliable. Depreciation is low. Miatas hold their value extremely well because demand is always high. Who should buy it? If you don't need backseats or cargo space and you want the ultimate driving experience for the lowest cost, buy a Miata. It's the answer to everything. The results summary. Here's the complete ranking from most to least expensive. CX-90P HEV, $68,420. CX-90, $64,180. CX-70, $57,340. CX-5 Turbo, $48,920. CX-50, $46,280. CX-5, $44,620. Mazda 3 hatchback, $41,840. Mazda 3 sedan, $40,180. CX-30, $39,620. MX-5 Miata, $37,960. The difference between the most and least expensive is over $30,000 over 5 years. That's a massive swing. What this means for you. If you're shopping for a Mazda, here's what you need to know. If you want the lowest cost, buy a Miata if you can live with 2 seats. Otherwise, buy a CX-30. If you need an SUV, the CX-30 is the best value. The CX-5 is a close second if you need more space. If you need 3 rows, you're stuck with the CX-90, which is expensive. Consider buying used to avoid brutal depreciation. If you want a fun daily driver, the Mazda 3 hatchback or sedan offers great value with excellent driving dynamics. Avoid if you're cost conscious. The CX-90, CX-70, and CX-5 Turbo are great vehicles, but they're expensive to own. Only buy them if the extra cost doesn't matter to you. And if you want to minimize costs even further, don't forget to grab your free 500,000-mile car maintenance blueprint from the link in the description. It shows you exactly how to maintain any Mazda to maximize reliability and minimize repair costs. It's completely free and could save you thousands over the life of your car. The bottom line: true cost of ownership is about way more than sticker price. Fuel, insurance, maintenance, repairs, and depreciation all add up significantly over 5 years. The Miata is shockingly cheap to own despite being a sports car. The CX-30 is the best value SUV in Mazda's lineup. The CX-90 and CX-70 are expensive, but worth it if you need the space and luxury. Now you have the data. Make the smart choice. If you found these tips helpful, be sure to watch this next video as we're sharing insider tips to help you cut repair costs and keep your car running like new.